What is up, guys, and welcome to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys some of the easiest methods to go and promote your affiliate offers on Digistore24 and make your first sale as soon as today using very targeted traffic. And this is a method many people are using already and they're making a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys this secret method. You can go and do this from anywhere around the world and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot without needing any website at all to go and get started. You can go and make your first sale as soon as you're using this strategy I'm going to show you guys in this video right here, and nobody's actually talking about this particular method right here, so be sure to watch till the end. So the method I'm going to show you guys, you can make your first $1,000 to $1,500 plus very fast on Digistore24 starting today. You can go and make your first sale as soon as today with this strategy right here. And the method I'm going to show you guys is a very smart method that you can go and do and actually and a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this by getting a lot of huge targeted traffic, and it's a very easy and effective method. So the method is an easy copy and paste method. I don't need any website at all to go and get started with this, and it's also 100% newbie friendly. I can go and make your first sale as soon as today, and you're going to be getting 100% buyer traffic, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this very easily, implement this and drive a lot of targeted traffic back to your Digistore24 affiliate offers and actually earn a lot of money very fast on Digistore24 by implementing this method right here. So be sure to watch the video step by step till the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this method, so to ensure that you're going to get high quality traffic and you're going to actually make sales from this particular method right here. So be sure not to skip the step, because you can go and skip the step, you can go and miss some very vital steps right here, and you're not going to go and make any money. So pay very close attention, watch step by step till the end, take action on the method to see results on this method right here. So if you enjoy this time, just subscribe to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel to get notified time that I post new smart methods that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new methods that can help you guys start making some extra money on Digistore24, ClickBank, and some general make money online methods. And most of the methods are free to go and get started. So if you don't have any money to go and invest on these paid methods I'm showing you guys right here, be sure to watch these free methods that I'll show you guys on the channel. You can go and get started with the free methods. Once you make money on the free methods, take that money and reverse back on paid traffic methods, and you can go and make a lot more money faster and consistently with the paid methods. So also want to learn my most recommended method to start making some money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You are going to get my most recommended method to start making money very fast online as soon as today. So that's it. So let's get into this method. Let me show you guys how you can go and leverage this traffic source right now and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot without needing any website and promote your products on Digistore24. I can go and do this with any other affiliate network as well and make a lot of money. So let's get into this video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the method. Let me show you guys how you can use this method and earn a lot of money on Digistore24 on complete autopilot starting right today. So pay very close attention. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Digistore24. You want to go to the marketplace. Once you click the marketplace, you're going to find a lot of products you can go and promote and actually earn a lot of money. So some of my best products to go and promote and actually earn a lot of money is weight loss offers, because weight loss offers convert throughout the year, and many of them actually has very low refund rates and actually convert very well. Once you go to the marketplace, you can just go and type example weight loss. So let me just type example weight, and click on search. You're going to find a lot of weight loss products on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace that actually sells very well. You can see this one, Nice Slim Pro, new weight loss blockbuster. You can see this other one, Biomed Pro. So these are a lot of weight loss offers that are on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and they actually convert very well. What you can do is I can go and promote any other affiliate offer in any other category. What I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. So you can see here, there's a lot of categories from here. You can go and choose any of these categories from here and still promote affiliate offers inside these categories and any money. What I'm going to show you guys in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose one category. So I'm going to show you guys how to go and actually promote your affiliate offer with this method and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot without needing any website. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to choose one from here. So let's say, for example, you're going to choose one. For example, you can see Biomed Pro latest weight loss mega offer. So consider this product actually converts very well. You can see the price average at up to $178. So you can go and make up to $100 plus per sale promoting this offer right. So this is very high. So you need only 5 sales of this to make up to $500 plus very easily. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this very fast, starting as soon as today. If you're going to follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so be sure to pay very close attention and watch step by step till the end. So I see this product actually converts very well, but you can see the cancellation rate is also very low. You can see the cancellation rate is only at 2.8%, which means that many people that are buying this affiliate offer are not actually refunding right here. So this is a very good, when you see cancellation rate is very low like this, it means that many people are buying this offer and are not actually refunding, which means that's a good affiliate offer for you to go and actually promote. So let's go to the sales page as well. Let's go to the affiliate support page. You're going to find a lot more information about promoting this offer right here. So let's go and check this one right here. It's a video sales page. And this product right here is actually a physical affiliate offer. They tend to convert very well, and most of the time they actually have very low refund rates. As I've shown you guys, it actually has very low refund rate. You can see it's a physical product right here. So you go to affiliate tools, you can go and find out a lot more information about promoting this offer. You can see it actually converts very well. I can see it's up to $4 earnings per click, and the order value is up to 650, which is very high right now. So let me show you guys how to go and promote this very easily and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot that you can go and use and promote any other affiliate offer on Digistore24. So the first thing you want to do is that once you have chosen a product to go and promote, for example, this is a weight loss offer and this in the health and fitness niche. What you're going to do is you're going to go to websites called playerup.com. So pay very close attention. So PlayerUp is a website that people go and sell, for example, YouTube accounts, Instagram accounts, Twitter accounts, and Facebook accounts on this website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to websites called playerup.com. So pay very close attention. So let's go to the website. Many people tend to sell a lot of high quality accounts on this website. I'm going to show you guys what to do and promote this offer very easily and actually earn a lot of money. Once you go to playerup.com, right here you can see there are a lot of accounts that many people are selling. You can see Clash of Clans accounts, you can see Genshin Impact accounts, you can see Instagram accounts, YouTube accounts, Twitter accounts, and there are a lot of accounts that many people are selling on this website. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here to Instagram accounts, buy, sell, trade. So click on this. You're going to find a lot of accounts that many people are actually selling, Instagram accounts that are of high quality in this category right here. Once you click on Instagram accounts, you're going to see right here, you're going to see a lot of different options. You can see Instagram accounts, buy, sell, trade. You can see Instagram comments, buy, sell, trade. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this one right here, Instagram account, buy, sell, trade. It's going to show you a lot of Instagram accounts that many people are actually selling on this website that already has a lot of audience and also has a lot of high engagement accounts. So you can see right here, you can see a lot of accounts from here. You can see this person selling this account that has 11,000 followers for only $79. You can see this one, this person selling an account that has 25,000 followers at $139. So pay very close attention. So since you are going to be promoting, for example, a product in the health and fitness niche, what you're going to do is you can go and look for health and fitness type of Instagram accounts on this website. I can just go and buy and start promoting your affiliate offer as soon as today. So you're going to do, you can go and click, for example, you can see on the followers, you can go and choose any amount of followers from here. So we're just going to take, for example, from 1,000 to 10,000 followers right here. And next you're going to go and input other options right here. So you pay very close attention. So what you're going to do is since you're promoting a weight loss offer in health and fitness, you're going to click on the industry. You can go and select any industry from here. For example, if you're in business, you can go and choose business. If you're, for example, in pets and animals, you can go and choose pets and animals. So since we're promoting a weight loss offer right here, we're going to look for something related to weight loss, for example, on sports. So let me click, for example, on sports and click on search. If I click on search, it's going to show me a lot of Instagram accounts that are in the health and fitness needs that many people are selling on this website for a very small amount of money and they actually have a lot of followers. Consider here, this person is selling an Instagram account that's already 10,000 followers that you can just go and use and start promoting your own Digistore24 affiliate offer as soon as they on this page. If you actually buy this page right here, and the person is selling at only $55. So let's say, for example, you buy this Instagram account that has 10,000 followers already. I am promoting this product right here, Biomed Pro. You can see right here, the commission, you need only one sale to go and make your investment back if you're going to go and promote this affiliate offer right here. What you're going to do is you're going to go and buy Instagram accounts on this website for very cheap. I can go and promote your affiliate offer and pay very close attention because I'm going to show you guys how to go and make sure that you're not going to get scammed from this website right here. So pay very close attention. So I see this person selling an Instagram account that has up to 5,000 followers for only $27. You can see 5,000 followers, $27. Instagram account with 9,000 followers at only $44. You can see this person selling Instagram account with up to 2,000 followers at only $11. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and contact this people that are selling this Instagram account on this website. Are you going to ask them to go and show you the Instagram account? So you don't want to go and buy the Instagram account without actually seeing the Instagram account, because this is very important, because most of the time many people go and actually buy fake followers and go and sell those Instagram accounts on this website, and if you buy those Instagram accounts as fake followers, you're not going to actually make any money back. So let me show you guys how to go and actually check for Instagram account that these Instagram accounts are legit and they also have a lot of engagement, and you can actually go and make money if you go and buy those different Instagram accounts. So let's say, for example, you want to go and buy an Instagram account from here. You're going to contact the owner, and you're going to ask them to go and show you the Instagram account that they want to sell. Once I show you the Instagram account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website right here. This website is called inbit.com. This is a website that is going to show you the engagement rate on that Instagram account, and this other website is called hyperauditor.com. So pay very close attention. This one is going to show you their legit followers, if this particular account has legit or fake followers. So when you buy an Instagram account on this website, playerup.com, the first thing you want to go and do is you want to go to the website. It's called inbit.co. So you're going to make sure that the Instagram account has a lot of engagement. So once you go to inbit.co, it's a free website. You're going to see Instagram engagement rate. So click on this. It's going to give you a free tool that you can go and check the engagement rate on that Instagram account. So let me show you guys some example accounts from here. You can see this particular account has only 5,000 followers, but you can see it actually gets a lot of engagement on its post. So these are just some example accounts I'm going to show you guys. We're going to use those free tools to go and check the engagement rates on those free tools I'm going to show you guys right here. So let's say, for example, the person selling this Instagram account. So let's say, for example, the person on PlayerUp is selling this Instagram account. What you can do is you can just go and copy it. You're just going to go and copy the handle of the Instagram account. And the first thing you're going to go and do to inbit.co, once I've clicked on that Instagram engagement calculator, you're just going to input the username right here. So let me input the username and click on check profile. You're going to check how much engagement this particular account is getting. So you can see right here the engagement is up to 9. So this is actually very good. What you want to do is you don't want to go and buy an account that has an engagement of less than 3%, because he has an engagement of less than 3%. It means that most of the followers on that Instagram account are actually fake, and many people are not actually engaging with that content, which means that it's going to be a lot harder for you to go and actually make money from that Instagram account. So make sure that any account that you're going to be buying has an engagement of at least 3% and above. So the next thing you want to go and check is I want to go and check also their fake followers. So let's check out this other one right here. For example, this one has only 5,000 followers. So let's check out the engagement rate on this particular page. So let me just copy the handle. Let's go back to inbit.co. So let me just input this one right here and click on check. You're going to say this particular account has only 5,000 followers, but it has very high engagement, more than big Instagram accounts. So I say this is actually very high. So if somebody is selling this type of account that has very high engagement like this, for example on PlayerUp, and has only 5,000 followers, so you can go and buy the affiliate account, because you're going to actually make a lot of money, because the people that are visiting this page are actually very engaged, and many of them are more likely to go and buy your affiliate offer. So the next thing we're going to do is you're going to check the followers, if they have legit followers right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to websites called hyperauditor.com. So let's go to the website. It's called hyperauditor.com. You're going to find a free tool to go and check the Instagram account followers, if they're actually fake followers or they are real followers. Once you go to hyperauditor.com, what you're going to do is you're going to click on resources. Once you click on resources, you're going to see free tools for influencer marketing. So click on this. Once you click on that, it's going to go and send you to a page that can go and check Instagram fake followers. So click on Instagram. Click on Instagram right here. And next you're going to see Instagram audit and fake follower check. So click on try now. And next you're just going to input the handle of your Instagram page right here that you're going to go and buy from PlayerUp. So just input right here and just go and click on search. So let me click on this robot icon and click on check. It's going to show me the quality score. So right here, this is actually very good. So you don't want to go and buy any Instagram account that has a quality score of less than 50%, which means that most of the followers on that Instagram accounts are fake and you're not going to make any money. So go and make sure that the quality score on all those Instagram accounts are actually very high, like this one right here. So let me check this other one right here. So this one is Keto Smart. Let me check it right here. And then click on the robot icon and click on check right here. So let me just click on check. The quality score also 79%. So this is also very good. So this is a method you can go and actually make a lot of money as soon as today, because there are still many people in this website that actually has very high quality accounts that are selling for very cheap. Everyone's going to buy these high quality accounts that actually has a lot of real followers and also has a lot of engagement. You're going to make a lot of money as soon as today right here, because many people on this website are actually build these Instagram accounts. Most of them don't know how to go and actually monetize the accounts. What I can do is I can just go and pay a very small amount of money and actually buy these Instagram accounts and go and promote your affiliate offers very easily and actually earn a lot of money. So let's say, for example, you can see this person selling this account has only 5,000 followers at only $29. If you are buying, for example, this page right here, you can see it has a lot of engagement, has a lot of real followers. You can go and buy this for $29 and you're going to make 10 times your money very easily by promoting your Digistore24 affiliate offers on this particular page right here. You're going to make a lot of money very fast. So this is a simple method I will show you guys can go and use and make money as soon as today using Digistore24 by buying high quality accounts from this website. So always go and make sure that you're going to check the Instagram engagement rate, and you're also going to check if he has real or fake followers before you're going to buy an Instagram page from here. But if you're going to buy a high quality Instagram page, you're going to make money very fast from your Instagram page. So you're going to do is that once I've promoted your affiliate offer on that page and you've made a lot of money, another thing that you can go and do is I can also go and resell back these Instagram accounts. So let's say this is your account that you bought and you have already promoted your affiliate offer right here. You have made a lot of money. I don't want to go and actually continue posting on this page. What you can do is I can go to the website, it's called fameswap.com. I can go and sell this Instagram account on this website for a high amount of money. I'm still going to go and make a lot of money, guys. So it's an easy way to go and make money from two sides. You can go and buy the Instagram account from PlayerUp, sell your affiliate offer on Digistore24. Then you can go and sell it back on this website, fameswap.com. I can go and sell your Instagram account right here for a high amount of money and actually earn a lot of money, guys. So that's the simple method to show you guys can go and use and earn a lot of money online. So be sure to leave a like and share this video, guys, so that others can go and use this method as well and promote their products on Digistore24 and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. So if you appreciate this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. So that's it. Take action on this method and I'll see you in the next video.